one. This one's pretty much right in here at the base. This one I'm going to roll out on the counter again, so I can make it a little bit thinner than the other ones have been. So just kind of get it into a squarish shape. Get the photos so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so I need basically if I take this square and then angle it this way and then cut across like this. Okay, so then the lines would go this way. Thin that out a little bit more there. Pick that up. And let me just place it over way too big. So instead of cutting this part off, I'm going to cut some of this off. And what I want to do is cut, I've got it a little bit too much at an angle, so I need to cut a little bit of this off. So go down here and cut in. And I can't really give you, you might be asking, why can't you just give me the size pattern? It's going to depend on how your cake comes out. So that's why you kind of have to play around with it a little bit like I'm doing to get the correct sizing. Okay, that looks good. So we're going to do like we did over here because it's lower and you won't see the skewers underneath it. So we'll just take a little quart of fondant, take some water, pop that on, then take some skewers, pop it right in on top. A little bit more water. This is where I'm pinching this fondant over the skewer and onto the fondant that is on top. This skewer needs to be a little bit further over. So just pull it out and put it way over there. Okay, where this is coming down, pop a little more water right on there. And just kind of pinch the edges if you want it just to kind of flatten it out a little bit more. Thin out those edges. And then take this one more time and go and fix where I flattened it. Okay, kind of play around with it a little bit. Okay, let me look at that from the front. Make sure you can't see any skewers from the front of it, and you'll be fine. Voila! Look at that. It's looking fishy-like.